Adventurers, welcome to a look into the journey of the future. With the eagerly awaited 2025 Kia Motorhome, be ready to transform your road travels. With its streamlined aerodynamic bodywork and striking, contemporary design, this is more than simply a car. It's a declaration of refinement and potential. Beneath its eye-catching exterior, the 2025 Kia Motorhome is anticipated to include a cutting-edge dual-electric hybrid drivetrain that will provide an estimated 450 horsepower and an amazing 300-kilometer all-electric range, which can be increased to almost 900 kilometers with the hybrid system. This guarantees a dedication to environmentally sustainable travel as well as strong performance on every terrain. As soon as you enter the 2025 Kia Motorhome, you're surrounded by an environment that redefines comfort and adaptability. Whether you're hosting a small group or just relaxing after a long day of touring, the interior's modular design and high-quality materials allow you to customize the area to meet all your needs. With seamless integration, smart control systems provide a really intuitive experience by placing multimedia, climate, and lighting at your fingertips. The bedroom space is a comfortable haven that is intended to provide you a good night's sleep following your travels. It has careful touches and comfortable sleeping quarters for two folks. With the help of an optional skylight, picture falling asleep among the stars and waking up feeling rejuvenated and eager to explore again the next day. A gathering place for socializing and resting is the living room. With its roomy U-shaped seating area, it's ideal for entertaining friends, having a meal, or relaxing with a book. With ease, the motorized dining table can change the room into a flexible lounge area that changes to accommodate your everyday routine. The restrooms are intended to be as comfortable and convenient as possible when traveling. Expect a well-furnished room with all the modern conveniences you need for personal hygiene while traveling. However, specifics may differ. The kitchen is a small but fully functional sanctuary for foodies. It has plenty of countertop space and contemporary gadgets like a mini fridge and an induction burner, so you can easily make delectable meals wherever your travels take you. Gourmet dining on the go is now a joyful possibility thanks to certain proposals that even allude to AI-powered equipment and a dedicated wine storage.